Right, so I wanted to just start off this video quickly by saying I apologise for that mic that just keeps dropping down here. We bought a new mic setup and I know it's muting during the video. I didn't really get to look through the settings and stuff properly. I thought if I just put the new mic on it would be fine, but clearly not. So just a heads up, I apologise for this video in advance and we will have it sorted for the next one. Thanks. Right lads, we're back once again. I hope everyone has enjoyed their weekend. I know it's been a couple of days since we posted a video as I was away in Paris, bonjour and all that stuff. So I'm here with the boys in the car.
Yep.
And guess what? We're going to buy another car yet again because we don't have any sense and that's all we do. So yeah, so this is not really something that we usually buy. This is definitely not a car I've owned before. We just so randomly bought this car. I'll get more into that story when we get there, but for now we're after going up, having a look at the car, came to a deal on the car, so I'm going to show it to you when you get there. We're after scrambling to get an A-frame because we're too poor to afford a trailer, so yeah, let's go collect this car. Ready? Ready?
There it is, right there. Dawson trying to start the thing now.
Right, so apologies for the lighting. So as you can see, we are after buying an e30 5-door. It's a 316 automatic. And yes, this is not
if
something...
we say anything wrong, don't pick us up on it because we're not Beamer men.
Yeah, so the reason we bought this car, number one, we got a good deal on it. Number two, I always wanted a green car. And the wheels actually kind of sold it for me. Now, this car has a tiny bit of rust on the two arches and a bit on the pocket, and other than that, it's actually very clean. M-Tech steering wheel, kind of all original M-Sport M whatever.
There's 101,000 miles.
Has a nice spoiler, 101,000 miles from now. It is the carb engine, and once again I will get more videos as soon as we get down to the shed, but for the minute we're trying to get this thing running, so we brought a battery from the shed.
Put it in it.
Yeah, Chad has the kind of links there,
I do,
and
right.
it should run.
Oh, we're nearly out.
Oh shit, go start that. That's fine.
Right, so that indicates that we have a fuel problem. Yeah, see, right. Let's just try and get this out with this absolute hole of a spot.
Stuck, are they? Yeah, they're definitely stuck. That is very stuck.
Very stuck, is it, Dawson?
Very stuck. Have you got it in the handbrake off?
The handbrake's still on.
Oh dear.
See if you can get it to go forward. Come on, Chad. Come on, Chad.
Come on, Chad. Go on.
What's the problem? And it's not.
Ah,
Nearly.
watch this. My mom showed me this trick.
Yes.
Please stay going.
Yes. Yes.
Now stop leaving it die.
Go again.
Leaves the die again there, I'm nearly out of links.
He leaves it die again.
Try push there neutral, just see.
Hold on, what's around there? There you go, look.
There's something off on the front of that, I'd say. I wonder why you can't see, because it's like stuff we're pushing out of a jump.
Hold on there, let me get the windscreen.
The last bit of links to clean the windscreen.
Something out right there. Huh?
It's only the wing liner. This is definitely a lot heavier than the twin cam. Oh my god. It's way too cold to get on this shit.
Wait, we pull out the McDonald's on this show.
Do you want to get the other car out first?
Yeah.
Haha, she's some yoke, boys. What's
Yeah,
it?
water on the way.
Howdy, bud.
Howdy, company.
When the 6 one's cleaned up and slammed shotgun tips on it, it's gonna be bad.
Oh yeah.
Well, after we fix that issue.
Including the stylish Yaris Cross and the powerful RAV4.
Radio works. Smell the old
Actually,
radio.
everything.
So what do we have here?
A-frame.
It's a poor man's transport trailer.
Because we were in such a panic. We couldn't get a trailer anywhere. This was a spur of the moment buy. So we reverted back to the old school A-frame.
Watch this. Whole thing broke up. Right, I'm going in under.
See you after.
I've never even been underneath 34. Now, right.
No, keep going. There you go.
Right. Where is splipping? You were splipping in, champ,
Yeah. So you can connect it on now if you is, yeah.
Just shine the light in there to make sure it's not caught in it.
Yeah.
Back it up, Ter. Put it in reverse.
Damn, Daniel.
Well, we just made a mandatory stop for food and we wanted to have a look at this outside and just give you a quick look around it. Dawson just inspecting it. Like, in fairness, a grand little car. Well, Dawson,
It's actually very, very clean.
I thought you were going to say it's very, very bad.
No, well, I just go check this side.
What do you think?
Ah, she's savage.
Not
She's a
bad.
minter.
I think it's very good car, BMW, very good German Veep. It's very nice, you know.
Oh,
Very
it
fucking
needs
nice.
more spice.
The sills on it are straighter than my Lexus anyway.
Oh, that says a lot, doesn't it?
Oh, try before.
Right, so we're just back to the shed here now. The lads are absolutely spraying the day out of E30. I just wanted to, can you see it? Ultimate drifting machine. So you know what that means?
We're going to
We
drift.
have to send it now because the sticker says so. And we also found the other wheel for this. Look at that. We also got the other wheel. So The owner has the hook cap or the centre caps as well, so he's posting them down to me exactly as that. So can't wait to start power washing and see how it comes up. That is so satisfying.
This car is actually so simple.
Right, so it's the following day. As you would have seen, we power washed down this car last night and got all the green wool off it. It actually does not look too bad at all, does it? Yeah, there is a few spots of rust on it, obviously, with the age and price. The bumper has a bit of rust on it. Arch there has a few dents in it, but look, it is what it is. But yeah, I just want to show you. Carney was at the e30 there last night. I just want to show you, right? I don't know if you can see this line in the middle, right? But here's a good. So we cleaned half the car, polished it up just to see what it was like. And my God, look at that. To be fair, like, for something that was sitting up for 5 years. Now, I know it's a bit crusty on the arch there, but sitting up for 5 years. Plans with this car as of now, it's kind of just get it running. Let's see what we'll do with it again.